Today we're going to be looking at using Google Trends for some competitive research. Google Trends is a fantastic tool to figure out which keywords you may want to target when you've got some different keyword variations. For example, you might be a web design firm and you might want to find out if you should target the term web design or the term website designers or website development. So if we type in web design and then comma website development, it then gives us the search trends for those two different terms. So if we look here, we can see that web design is quite up there along the blue line, whereas website development does not get a lot of searches. So let's just look down a little bit and look at the different regions that we can see. What we can see here is the different countries that people are actually looking at. And if we look at the Australian view, we can see a breakdown by state as to how many people, or at least the trend of how many people are looking at these particular terms. Over on the right, we'll see news items that are actually linked to the term web design. Now, this tells us that web design is a better keyword term to go for than website development because more people are actually looking for that term. In saying that, it's going to be a more competitive term to try and aim for, but at least that way you know you're going to get more traffic. If you wanted to break it down by state, you can actually use these drop-down bars at the top to put it into either Queensland, New South Wales, or any other state within Australia. That is using Google Trends to determine which services you should approach and how you should do your keyword strategy.